Toyota just dropped a wave of upgrades for the 2026 Tundra that directly answer what truck owners have been demanding: better performance, better comfort, and features that actually make your life easier. If you've been waiting for a full-size truck that doesn't force you to compromise between capability and refinement, the 2026 Tundra is bringing exactly what you need. While competitors keep adding complexity and jacking up prices, Toyota focused on solving real problems. Let's check it out. Powertrain upgrades. Toyota is keeping its winning powertrain formula but refining every aspect to deliver even better results. The base iForce twin-turbo 3.4-liter V6 continues delivering 389 horsepower and an impressive 479 pound-feet of torque. When you compare this to rivals, the advantage has become clear. But the real star is the iForce Max hybrid system. This setup combines that same twin-turbo V6 with a 48 horsepower electric motor, resulting in 437 horsepower and a massive 583 pound-feet of torque. That's way more torque than GM's legendary 6.2-liter V8, which produces 460 pound-feet. But here's where things get really interesting. Toyota is making a change that enhances capability across the entire lineup. Every 2026 Tundra is now getting the 32.2-gallon fuel tank as standard equipment. We've all experienced that sinking feeling when you're towing through rural areas and suddenly realize the next gas station is 80 miles away, with your fuel gauge already dropping fast. Now, with the larger tank across the board, the gas-only version can travel approximately 741 miles on the highway on a single tank, while the hybrid extends that to an impressive 772 miles. All that power and range is impressive, but it means nothing if you can't handle the punishment of serious off-road work, which is exactly where the TRD Pro comes into play. TRD Pro upgrades. The TRD Pro has always represented the pinnacle of Tundra's off-road capability, but the 2026 model is taking things even further. This trim comes standard with the iForce Max hybrid powertrain, ensuring you have maximum torque available when tackling challenging terrain. With features like multi-terrain select, crawl control, and an electronically locking rear differential, the TRD Pro has the hardware to handle serious off-road situations. But Toyota recognized that even the most capable suspension means nothing if the driver isn't comfortable during extended adventures. That's why the 2026 TRD Pro is introducing optional isodynamic seats borrowed from the Tacoma TRD Pro. Ask anyone who's spent 6 hours crossing desert trails. By the end of the day, your back is screaming and your neck feels like it's been through a boxing match. These aren't typical truck seats. They feature integrated shock absorbers that independently dampen vertical movements. When you're bouncing over rocks or crossing washboard roads, traditional seats simply follow every bump and jolt, forcing your body to absorb all that punishment. The isodynamic seats change that equation completely. Internal shock absorbers work to smooth out those vertical impacts, reducing physical strain on your body. In the Tacoma, these seats created a space constraint, but the Tundra's more generous cabin dimensions mean rear passengers won't feel cramped even with these advanced front seats installed. Beyond the seats, the TRD Pro is getting additional enhancements. A 3-inch suspension lift is now available as part of the TRD Rally package, which can be combined with the TowTech package for customers who need both serious ground clearance and maximum towing capability. This combination wasn't previously offered, forcing customers to choose between lift kits and towing equipment. The TRD Pro also debuts an exclusive paint color called Wavemaker, a striking light blue finish shared with other TRD Pro models in Toyota's lineup. Of course, all those off-road upgrades look great from the outside, but the real transformation happens once you climb inside the cabin. Interior updates. The 2026 Tundra brings noticeable improvements to cabin refinement. Toyota has focused on enhancing material quality and adding features that address real-world needs. The capstone grade is receiving new shale premium textured leather-trimmed seats that elevate the already upscale interior to even higher levels of luxury. The limited grade sees a significant upgrade as well, with leather-trimmed seats now coming as standard equipment. You'll have your choice between black leather with white stitching or gray leather with black stitching, both featuring a new pattern that looks more sophisticated than the previous design. Technology features continue to be a strength for the Tundra, with the available 14-inch touchscreen remaining one of the largest displays in the segment. The Toyota Audio Multimedia system provides intuitive controls with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. The system maintains physical controls for critical functions like volume adjustment, acknowledging that touch-sensitive controls aren't ideal when you're wearing work gloves or driving over rough terrain. But some of the most appreciated changes are the practical additions that make daily life easier. We've all been there. It's 95 degrees outside, you've got passengers in the back seat, and they're getting blasted by hot air while the front stays comfortable. Double cab models are now getting rear air vents integrated into the back of the center console, improving comfort for rear passengers during hot weather. All models with single-zone climate control are receiving the Smart Flow Management System, which optimizes air distribution throughout the cabin. The interior upgrades are substantial, but Toyota didn't stop there. The exterior is getting some meaningful updates too. Styling updates. The 2026 Tundra isn't receiving a complete exterior redesign, but Toyota is introducing targeted updates that keep the truck looking current and add functional improvements. The SX package available on lower trims now comes with 20-inch wheels instead of the previous 18-inch units, giving the truck a more substantial stance while maintaining ride quality. Platinum and 1794 edition models equipped with the TRD off-road package can now be optioned with power-deploying running boards. These boards automatically extend when you open the door, then retract when you close the door to maintain ground clearance during off-road driving. As mentioned earlier, every Tundra now comes standard with a tow hitch and 7/4-pin connector, eliminating the need to add aftermarket hitches or pay extra for dealer installation. These styling enhancements look impressive, but the real advantage Toyota has over the competition is hiding underneath the truck. Suspension. One area where the Tundra has always excelled is ride quality, and that advantage continues with the 2026 model thanks to Toyota's sophisticated rear suspension design. While competitors like the Ford F-150 and Chevrolet Silverado use traditional leaf springs at the rear, the Tundra employs a coil spring setup that provides significant advantages. Anyone who's driven a traditional leaf spring truck knows the problem. Empty, the ride is stiff and bouncy, almost punishing on rough pavement. Load it up with cargo or hook up a trailer and suddenly it smooths out. That's because leaf springs are designed to handle heavy loads, which means they can feel harsh and unrefined when you're driving without cargo attached. The Tundra's coil springs provide a more compliant ride in daily driving situations while still maintaining the load-carrying capability you need. On limited grades and above, Toyota mounts the cab to the frame using hydraulic mounts instead of traditional rubber bushings. These hydraulic mounts further enhance ride comfort by absorbing vibrations before they reach the cabin. The result is a refinement level that approaches what you'd expect from the Ram 1500, which has long been considered the ride quality benchmark in the full-size truck segment. With all these upgrades and improvements, the question becomes, how much is all of this going to cost? Models and prices. The 2026 Tundra lineup maintains its diverse range of trim levels, ensuring there's a configuration for every type of truck buyer. Pricing has increased modestly across most of the range, with the entry-level SR seeing the largest jump at $1,270 year over year. The SR starts the lineup at $42,665, including destination, providing a surprisingly well-equipped base truck. Standard features include an 8-inch touchscreen, Toyota Safety Sense 2.5, and now that valuable tow hitch and fuel tank upgrade. Moving up to the SR5 gets you more convenience features and better trim materials for $46,540. The limited trim starts at $55,345 and represents the entry point for the hybrid iForce Max powertrain, which adds approximately $3,500 to the price. Given the performance and efficiency gains, that premium represents excellent value. The limited now comes with leather seats as standard, eliminating a previous upcharge and making this trim level an even stronger value proposition. Platinum models begin at $62,795, while the 1794 edition commands $64,960. Both of these trims offer the iForce Max Hybrid as standard equipment, along with extensive luxury features and premium materials throughout the cabin. The TRD Pro sits at $71,760, reflecting its position as the ultimate off-road Tundra with standard hybrid power, advanced suspension components, and exclusive styling elements. At the top of the range, the capstone starts at $73,285, representing the most luxurious Tundra you can buy with its upgraded leather, premium audio system, and extensive list of comfort and convenience features. The 2026 Toyota Tundra represents exactly what happens when an automaker listens to what truck owners actually need rather than chasing flashy trends. Toyota built the Tundra for people who actually use their trucks, and these updates prove they're committed to keeping it that way. But don't think that rivals are without trump cards, starting from the absolute class leader, the F-150, and these trump cards aren't always about specs and features. In our next video, you can check out its hidden features that most owners never use. These features may not be about major design solutions, but can make a significant impact on the overall ownership experience.